Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we've got some nice chrome accents along this vehicle. We got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, Bedliner as well, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, lock heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does say up to a 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, we got rear vents, and a 12-volt 2 USBs, 110-volt, and a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights with power adjustable pedals all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer say at 115,772 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with volume, playback forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through. Display mode, trip and feel, towing, off-road, and other settings. We got tons of storage to my left here, or my right, with cup holders. You got your center console with tons of more storage as well. More storage here. Outlets, and it does close. We got trailer brake, trailer backup assist, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive with your climate controls right here, heated front seats, CD, 12-volt and 110-volt storage below on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also get our features for our hill, traction, hazards, and auto stop start, navigation, audio, and phone. And for your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls where you can see it's been previously connected. Navigation, which is pretty easy to use. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM travel link. Settings such as your Bluetooth, mobile app, phone, general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA37380B, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.